to my YouTube channel. Let us prove this identity is 2.4. This says prove the following trigonometric identity. We've given them sine 2x over sine x minus cos 2x divided by cos x is equals to 1 over cos x. This is what we have now. We have to prove this. It's 5 marks. So you start by the side that is looking more difficult. You can tell the examiner will choose the left hand side, then you will write this left hand side sine 2x divided by sine x minus cos 2x divided by cos x. All right, we want to come here to the right hand side. So here you're supposed to see this is a double angle, that part there. So this will simply equals to 2 sine x multiplied by cos x, right, divided by sine x minus, this is a double angle. But remember, when you have cos 2x, you'll have 3. The double angle that you're supposed to choose to, you have the one says cos 2x minus sine squared x. You also have this one that says 1 minus 2 sine squared x. You also have this one 2 cos squared x minus 1. So you're supposed to choose to the 3. All right, I will just pick this one. I'll pick the middle one. Then this would be 1 minus 2 sine squared 10 squared x. As you can see, where we are trying to prove this, we have 1. At least when you choose the one that choose this one, the ones which consist of 1, because we have 1. And the final one to prove this, but to check on our numerator we have 1, you must ask yourself, how can we get to this one? How can we get to this one? So choose something which consists of 1, guys. Then anyway, so divide by cos x. This is what we have. Then in maths we're supposed to have if you have a fraction, our denominator must be the same. So you cross multiply here. You will say 2 sine x multiplied by cos x. You cross multiply, you multiply by cos on the top, you multiply by cos what on the bottom. When you multiply there, will be multiplied by cos x. Also you divide, we have sine here already. Then obviously multiply by cos again. Then we have minus this side, cross multiply by sine. Also on the bottom multiply by sine. So this is what is sine x multiply into 1, 2 sine squared x, like that, divide by multiply sine multiply by the cos that we have there. So yeah, this is what you have there. We took it. So there we have 2 sine x, these two when you multiply will have cos squared x. Divide this by sine x multiplied by cos x. All right, then here we have minus, so you distribute there, we will have sine x minus 2 sine cubed, since we have square now will be cubed x, divided by sine x multiplied by cos x. So now we have the same basis. Now we have the same basis. We will write 1 on the bottom. We have the same base. We will write 1 sine x multiplied by cos x. Just pick one, then write this on the top, sine x multiplied by cos squared x minus sine x minus 2 sine cubed x. Alright, that is what we'll have now, will result to this. So what you must notice there, try to group or try to take out the common fact somewhere, somehow. As you can check, we have sine here. Throughout we have sine, why don't we can take out the merely common factor there. Together we can take out the common factor. We can take out the common, or anyways, so here, okay, I substituted the negative. Remember, distributed minus. Sorry about that, I must be very careful. Negative will be negative, sine distributed here we must have positive. Is it in negative, and negative will be positive. I must have positive. Alright, thanks at least. Yeah, so let us take out sine as a common factor here. Throughout we'll have sine x into, we'll be left with 2 here, cos squared x for that part, minus, here we'll just simply take this sine, we'll be left with 1, divide by sine, we have plus, you take 1 here, you'll be left with 2 sine squared, since it was cubed. You divide this by sine x multiplied by cos x. Alright, so mathematically this and this will cancel. We are good there. So I want you to notice something again. Let us group these two. Okay, you'll have 2 cos squared x plus 2 sine squared x minus 1. They divide by cos x. There's something you should notice. So here we can take out the common factor of what? Of 2. If you take out 2 as a common factor, we'll have cos squared x plus sine squared x there minus 1. Something nice will take place there. As you can see, remember, cos squared x plus sine squared x will be equals to 1. Do you still remember this identity? So now we are good here. Can simply we'll have there our 2. Then this will simply equals to 1. We have minus 1 into divided by cos x. So this multiplied by that will be 2 minus 1 over cos x. Alright, 2 multiplied by 1 will be minus 1 will be 1 divided by cos x. So this is what we have. Therefore the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. This is what we're supposed to prove. There we have achieved this, right? So that is it. Wanted to prove this together. So thank you for watching. May you kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, become the part of the family.